guys, welcome back to the channel, girl. Hope all is well with you guys. So today we are going to be doing another comparison foundation review. So I want to continue this series. I know I had started it a few months ago and I just kind of like, you know, slide off a little bit, so I'm trying to get back to it. Today we're going to be trying out Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. So we're going to try it out with Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation. So these are the two foundation that we are going to be trying out. So this is $48 and this is around $8 to $9. Both are matte foundations, okay? I have dry skin, but I could get away using this foundation, and this is one of Maybelline best foundation out there. So if you have oily skin and you're just trying to get into the whole makeup scene and you don't want to spend too much money, try this out. This is really good for oily skin, and I think it's good for dry skin as well. I went and get another one because I think this is probably done. She probably dry up because it's been a while. So I have a new one here just in case. So the Double Wear, I haven't used this in a long time. It came out years ago, and I'm in the shade 5C1, which is Rich Chestnut. The Maybelline, this is for normal to oily skin, and this is 355 coconut. So I always get coconut when it comes to Maybelline products. So I'm not expecting the Maybelline to be exactly like the Estee Lauder, but I want to see the comparison for you guys. So this is a Wear Confidence 24 hours liquid foundation. It gives a natural matte finish that helps to unify uneven skin tone and control oil and shine. Buildable medium to full coverage up to 55 shades, but I see 56. 24 hours wear, 24 hours color, true to color, 24-hour non-greasy, oil-free, controls oil all day. This is just like a lot. And let's just see for the Maybelline. I think it's around $7 to $8, but let's just double check. So it's around $8.49 and they have 40 shades. This provide oil-free medium coverage, natural matte and poreless looking finish, formulated with clay to normal to oily skin, is fragrance free, dermatologist tested, lightweight, oil free. We get the whole thing. Okay, as you guys know, the Maybelline don't have any pump. The same thing as Estee Lauder. She don't have a pump, girl. She just looks like Maybelline. I don't like these type of things, but we don't get any pump. Okay, you could buy the pump separate if you're into the whole pump thing, but I'm not sure if we have. Oh yeah, we have a little bit there. So let me just put a little bit. Ooh, this is why I don't like this thing, because a lot does come out. All right, so this is Maybelline. Okay, so we're gonna use one of these sponge here from, I got this from Shein, and I don't even think I want to like wet it. I'm gonna use it dry today. I put a little moisturizer on because my skin is like really dry. I'm gonna put on the Maybelline first, and then after we're gonna put on the Double Wear. Just take the little bit that's there and put there. Now this foundation, it is a matte finish, but I really don't feel like this foundation is matte on my skin. It's been a couple years since I used this, and whenever I use it, I usually don't feel like my skin is tightening up anything. I just love the coverage. It just gives a nice, beautiful finish. And I'm also gonna bring it down. So hopefully like both of them are the same color. Girl, look at this. Like my hair got some of the product in. I'll take a little bit and cover my little spots here on one side. I don't like covering my moles, but this is part of when you wear makeup. So I'm going for like a medium coverage the most. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this like this, like right here, so I know like not to go over or with the Estee Lauder foundation. I still have a little bit on my hand here, and I'm gonna bring that down. I also shake it already, so let's just see. Take a clean sponge, dip that in, and let's see. I feel like, oh, it looks the same. Okay, so both of them have the same consistency. With the Maybelline foundation, what I realize is it does transfer, and the Estee Lauder foundation does not transfer. I use it, I know I use it a few times. So if you like in this whole big thing, like you don't like when foundations transfers, I think you will like the Estee Lauder better. Honestly, both of them looks, coverage wise, they look really good. I think I put a little bit too much of the Maybelline. This is Maybelline right here. She looks really, really pretty. Perfect shades for me. We know that it's a matte finish, and I have dry skin. I never have a problem with wearing this foundation. I've been wearing it for years. It oxidized a little bit, so it's been around 15 minutes. I had to get off camera for a little bit. I wanted to give this a little bit of time to do its thing. It got a little dark, but it's not that dark, okay? It looks really nice on the skin. So this is Maybelline and this is Estee Lauder. Both of them look the same. Now, when it comes to like the matte feel, yes, I feel my skin is a little bit tight, especially around here and around the lips. So let me see here. Just want to make sure. So let me put my hand all over. So yes, it does transfer a little bit. Let me just see. Estee. Girl, no. I don't see anything. And it's not even like that tight or uncomfortable on the skin. Yes, you feel a little tightness, but for someone that has really dry skin, I could get away using either. I would recommend, if you are someone that like to like give hugs and kisses, and maybe if you're gonna wear something white and you don't want any transfer, I would say go with this one here. Go with Estee Lauder. You don't really care about if you transfer or not, go with the Maybelline. So that is just something that I want to point out before I put any product on it. I like both of them. I did get like a medium coverage with both of them. With the Maybelline, of course, I get a little bit more coverage because I think I put a little bit more than the Estee Lauder. Because of the little foundation I put on, you know, you can still see my little spots. But I'm gonna cover it up with the powder. This is a perfect comparison for the Estee Lauder Double Wear. Now, this is really good for oily skin. You guys gonna really like this foundation. Either one that you choose, it all depends on your pocket. It looks really nice. You can't really tell if I have two foundations on. Maybelline over here and Estee Lauder. So let's talk about Maybelline first. I am feeling a little tightness more on this side, okay? I don't have any primer or anything on my face, so this is just like, you know, how we feel on my dry skin. If I use a little bit more of moisturizer, my skin would not feel this dry. It's because I didn't really prep my skin too much. That is the reason. But I still like the Maybelline. The Maybelline foundation, it dries up more of a natural finish than the Estee Lauder one, as you guys can see here. And you see this side, I feel like this side is a little bit more matte, even though this, I don't really feel it that much. It does look a little matte than the Maybelline. I'm not sure for like fine lines or anything like that. I don't really have, you know, fine lines on my skin like that. I only have under my eyes. I like both of them. Both of them looks really, really nice on the skin. If you on a budget, you don't want to spend that $50 on Estee Lauder, get the Maybelline. It looks the same to me. They have a very big, wide range of shades with both of them. So there is something for everyone, okay? If you like natural finish, you want a little radiant, yeah, Maybelline has that. I would say get both of them. I like both of them. If you have both of them in your collection, hey, use both of them, okay? I did put foundation on my neck and you could tell like both of them blend into my neck really good. So I did spray my face with the e.l.f. setting spray, and before I set the face, my skin on this side was like really tight, but once I set the face, I'm fine. I don't really feel like that much tightness. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. If you have either foundation in your collection, let me know what you guys think about them. Leave a comment down below if you guys want me to compare any other products, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up as well. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.